Hello and welcome to my latest soap making video. If I sound like I'm sick, I was. It was a really nasty cold. I feel fine now, I just sound funny. So I've been making all sorts of fruity, sparkly, glittery soaps for me, and I thought it might be nice to actually make one for my fiance. So today I'm going to make a coffee soap where I made the lye water using coffee instead of just distilled water. I have coffee grounds to go in it, and I have coffee scented fragrance oil, so Tripple Coffee Soap. I started by measuring out my oils. I started with the palm oil to get it over with first. Oops. It's always messy. I'm using the Royalty Soaps recipe for these. Olive oil next, and no, it doesn't make your soap smell like an Italian restaurant. I added it to the palm oil to conserve dishes. I added coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. I mixed all of my oils together and added my brown mica since the soap will be all one color. I added sodium lactate to my forbidden coffee to help it harden faster. Smells strongly of coffee in here now. Checking for trace. 2x coffee time. 3x coffee time. I decided to hand mix this because I was starting to get thick. Now it smells even stronger of coffee. I actually don't drink coffee, this is entirely for my fiance. I tapped it on the floor to get out some of the air bubbles. I cleaned up a bit while waiting for it to set up, and then I had to find a spoon. For some spoon texturing. I dusted the top with a few more coffee grounds. Okay, done! Ta-da! It smells like very lovely coffee in here. I am not much of a coffee person, but this smells really good. It almost smells chocolatey. It's just gonna be coffee everywhere for a while, but this is the bar. I mean, I wasn't expecting anything dramatic on the inside because I only did one color, but this is gonna make my fiance very happy. That is the coffee soap done! If you like this video and other chaotic crafting videos, subscribe to follow along with my crafting adventures and total chaos. Mostly sewing, but I seem to be doing a lot of soap making recently, so... I have a whole pile of other fragrance oils. Like and subscribe, and see you for my next crafting adventure. Bye everybody!